Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. For today's video, we're going to be doing something different. I'm going to show you guys how to make a Debbie Mosa, and I'm also going to show you guys or give you guys 5 Valentine's Day recommendations for the beauty fanatic in your life. So Sundays for me are a day that I get to relax, enjoy my time. It's mommy's day. It's mommy's day, it's wife's day. I get to enjoy my time with my friends. We come over and we sometimes do mimosas. So I do make some bomb mimosas, just saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and start a series called Mimosa Sundays. So I will be showing you guys today how to make a tropical mimosa, my style. So before we get into that, quick disclosure, I am 21, at least 21 years of age. Okay, and please remember to drink responsibly. If you are not 21 years of age, I do not recommend that you drink alcohol, okay? All right, there's my disclosure. Let's go ahead and get to it. So this is my champagne glass. Have to have your champagne glass. You could use any glass, but I prefer a champagne glass. I'm going to be using this champagne for today. You can use any champagne. It's just an extra dry, sparkling champagne. I got this one at Aldi's. I love Aldi's. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up my glass 3/4 of the way. And if you get the bubbling, let it go down. And you can use any kind of champagne. It doesn't have to be dry. Sometimes I use Prosecco to make this drink. It's a little bit sweeter when I use Prosecco. But there we go. So that's about 3/4 of the way. And then next I go in with some rum. I didn't bring the bottle up here. I just separated some, but this is a little Jello shot glass. But this is coconut rum. It doesn't matter what kind of rum you use, just any kind of coconut rum. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pour some in there. There we go. I guess might as well just pour it all, right? So that was about it was a shot, like 1.5 ounces. Because it wasn't filled to the top, and these are 2 ounces. Then I'm going to go in with pineapple juice. So that's 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And we don't want to fill it up all the way with juice, just a little bit of juice, just because it's not really a mimosa if you don't put juice in it. So there we go. Poured some juice in it. And then I'm going to go ahead and use some grenadine. Kind I use. I don't know if they have any other kind, but what I do is I fill the cap, and then I go ahead and pour the grenadine, and it gives off this beautiful little sunset mimosa, and it's really good. Again, guys, remember to drink responsibly. Cheers. That's a good mimosa. Okay, so now my 5 recommendations for gifts for Valentine's Day. So I'm pretty sure most guys wait till the last minute to get Valentine's Day gifts, right? Right, I'm pretty sure you guys do. So all of these things can actually be found at Sephora, at least that they were at my Sephora. You can also place an order online, and they do have the option for expedited shipping or 2-day shipping. Whatever, just go ahead. If you see anything you like, go ahead and just Sephora.com, place that order ASAP so your gift gets here in time. So the first thing that I recommend is gonna be the Stila Trio. It comes with 3 of these. It comes in a little pack, and this is gonna be in the front section where you're about to check out, where they try to get you with all the little stuff. Yep, it's gonna be right there. Or like I said, you could order it online. Comes with 3 of these. I always get complimented when I wear these glitters. They're eyeshadow glitters. Very beautiful. So that's my first recommendation. My second recommendation is going to be the Huda Beauty palette, or the Huda Beauty Mob Obsession. I believe all of these colors are very pretty. I believe they would complement everyone's skin. And honestly, what girl doesn't love pink eyeshadow? What girl does not love pink eyeshadow? All girls love pink eyeshadow. And then third is going to be the Fenty Beauty, what is the Bombay set. So it has the lip gloss and it also has a kilowatt highlighter in there. They look so cute. And this retails for $18. Who doesn't love Fenty Beauty? Especially their highlighters, they're beautiful. And this lip gloss is universal. And it literally is universal. It looks good on everyone. So you really cannot go wrong with this. This is so adorable. And again, this is sold in the little section. Actually, all this stuff is in the little section where you check out. That's where you go to get this. So that's just what it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. And then the fourth thing is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin. I saw one of my favorite YouTubers raving about this, so I was like, I have to have it. And of course, if I have to have it, then everyone has to have it. I sprayed it on my face, and it does give off a dewy finish. And it's so cute, guys. Like, I'm just going to show you guys the bottle, because it's so cute. Like, if I got this on Valentine's Day and I opened it up, I would be like, oh my God, that's adorable packaging. Look at how cute this bottle is. My lights are too bright today, but look at how cute this bottle is. It's all purple and ombre. This is such a cute little bottle. I just want to keep it right here. Keep it right there. And then the last thing that I thought was like a really, really good deal was the Sephora Favorites, the hashtag selfie kit. Guys, you know your girl's always taking selfies, so why not get her a kit where she could take the perfect selfies? Right? Right? And this comes with a lot of my favorites in it. Sephora favorites. The only thing that I haven't tried in this pack, I haven't tried 3 things actually. The Anastasia Lippy, the Stellar Powder, and then the Tarte Dual Eyeliner. But again, this nude is what I'm wearing on my lips today. Beautiful nude. The highlighter Opal, I believe, looks good on everyone. The Milk little stick, I love that stuff. Everyone loves that stuff. And then the Marc Jacobs mascara, that is hands down my favorite mascara of all time. Best mascara ever, and it's Marc Jacobs. And then again, what girl doesn't wear eyeliner? Perfect. And this retails for $28, like you see right there. I don't know, can you see it? Yep, you see right there. So again, this is in the front of the Sephora where they have all the little minis to get you. So that is it for my video today, guys. I will go ahead and leave everything down in the description below that I mentioned, as well as the price for it, so you can easily find it at Sephora's website. Or if you're a guy and you're inside Sephora, you're probably wondering, like, I don't know what that was called, so I'm just going to leave it down there to help you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell on the side so you never miss out on one of my videos. Bye, guys.